Hey, what's up? I want to show you something cool. If you own an outdoor construction business and you're looking for high value leads using low cost or free methods, I want to show you something here. This is a free tool you can use called Google's Keyword Planner. And you get it by opening up a free Google ad account. But what this tells us is we can type in our niche, like let's say excavation or land clearing or forestry mulching, septic installations, what have you. And it will actually tell you how people are searching for your services. And what's really cool is we can click this filter here and it's going to share with us number of search volume. And we can see here, like for excavation companies near me gets the lion's share of all the searches for the different ways people look for land clearing type work. You can see leads start to come in. And you can see they're clearly marked like messenger and so on, call in. And then everything gets organized really nice and neat. Now, obviously you might have some system for your leads or how you keep them, but that's not the point of this video. The point of the video is to share with you the checklist that I'm going to leave up for a little while longer that you can get, and you can start using these things to see results for your business. What's the catch? The catch is it won't last forever, okay? And also, I could not cram everything in my book into the checklist, okay? So what I did do is I took some of the most powerful things that I think you can implement yourself, put them in the checklist so you can start getting results as soon as today, okay? So thank you so much. Go get the checklist.